Hello everyone, welcome to my channel for yet another video on Nifty Bank Nifty analysis. Today was Bank Nifty expiry and the expiry was more of a sideways momentum. Initial movement was on the upside. The market opened gap down for both Nifty and Bank Nifty, but initially the movement was on the upside. After around 10:30, 10:40 for Nifty, the market was totally range bound, and for Bank Nifty, I think roughly around 11 o'clock and later the market was range bound till the end of expiry. Also, in previous video, I had mentioned that this looks to me a range bound session today because of the candle formation that we have seen in the last five trading sessions, which is bearish, bullish, and yesterday was bearish. So today again, we were expecting a bullish candle, and today we have a bullish candle. So we'll take a look at daily charts. Also, we'll take a look at monthly charts, and tomorrow is a big event. Interim budget will be unveiled. So let's see how we can trade if we have to on the budget day. And before that, all the views and opinions expressed in this video are for learning purposes only and is in no way a buy or sell recommendation. Any buy or sell decision or any trading or investing decision needs to be taken after consultation with your financial advisors. Viewer discretion is advised. Now what I'm sharing with you all right now is the Nifty spot chart on a daily time frame. So as I had mentioned, the past few days it has been seller dominance followed by buyers, then again sellers, then buyers, then sellers. This was yesterday, and today we again have a buyer dominance candle, which is a big bullish Morubozu candle, right? Uh, Now what this currently clearly suggests is the market is in no position to arrive at a direction, and probably tomorrow's interim budget will give market some direction. Either it will be on the upside or downside. So tomorrow it will be interesting to see where the market opens, whether it opens gap up or gap down. And today the initial movement was on the upside, and later it was more of a consolidation or more of a sideways momentum. Let's check on 15 minutes time frame how Nifty played today. So the very first candle for Nifty was a bullish hammer, and once this top I'm sorry. So once this top was taken out, then in that case, the market continued its upward journey till a point where there was selling pressure seen at around 21,744 levels, and from 744 level, the market came down a little bit, but it did not uh, show complete seller dominance as such. The market more or less closed at about 21,700 levels, and which is a good thing because yesterday I think I had mentioned we started at around 21 we had closed somewhere around 21,500 levels, right? Just about 21,500, and I had said 21,500 is a weak support. So from that perspective, if market would have broken that 21,500 or 21 400 levels, then in that case we would have seen further downfall. However, the market managed to end 200 points above yesterday's close, which is comparatively good sign for the bulls, right? And as you can see, this clearly suggests that tomorrow we can expect some direction. Also, tomorrow being a budget day, it will be a volatile market, so trade with very less quantity and trade only when there is a consolidation breakout or breakdown that happens, right? Don't jump in because there will be high volatility. Even the stop losses may not work. Uh, I have had this experience wherein the stop losses get triggered and the order is unexecuted and it is in the open orders, right? So uh, it's better to trade uh, trade when there is a particular direction clear after the speech of our financial minister, right? We'll need to check the timings. I believe it should be around 10 o'clock or something. I'm not sure about the time, but we can check the time, and after the speech is over, that's when the market may show some direction, and that may be a trendy movement till the end of the trading session. Also, please note that tomorrow Nifty expiry is there, so uh, there will be again a lot of contracts that will be squared off tomorrow. So it will be important to see how this plays, right? So for Nifty, we have two key levels, 21,744, which is today's high, as well as today's low, which is 21,444. Now, if the market opens with a huge gap up or huge gap down because of the macroeconomic factors, then in that case, we may have to wait for the price action to see how we can trade it. But again, more or less, I think a 21,444 level will act as a support from where the buyers will try to take the price higher. If there is consolidation at this particular level, and then if this breaks down, then in that case we may see a very quick downfall and very huge downfall, because all the buyers who would have bought in these 2 days, right? Those all those buyers will get trapped, and they would want to exit from their positions, and that will lead to kind of a panic selling scenario and long unwinding, which will take Nifty to 21,200 and 21,000 levels as well. On the upside, 21,744 is the level where, if you closely see this, you can see this one, then this two, and this three. So this is kind of an inverted head and shoulder pattern also, as we can see here. uh, Not a very prominent one, but yes, it kind of suggests that there is a chance for uh, uh, up move, right? So if this neckline breaks, then in that case we may see an up move, and depending on the budget, if there is some positive news for the market, then in that case we may see a short covering rally, which may take Nifty till 22,000 levels as well tomorrow itself, right? And during the volatility, I think in between the market, if the market opens in between, due to high volatility, I think 21,744 and 21,444, this 300 points range will act as a uh, range bound, act as a space for the market to, have a sideways or a range bound momentum. uh, I think most of the sellers will be selling calls and puts at 2144 and 21700 strike prices, and they will be expecting the market to be range bound at least till the speech is over, and after that we may have some direction. Let's take a look at the monthly chart. Today was monthly closing as well. Now it is interesting to see this. The candle is not visible. I mean, candle is not visible due to the drawings, but let me just hover, and you can see the open, close, and other data which is available here, right? So the market in January for Nifty moved almost 1,000 points, but if you see the open and the close, they are merely separated by roughly two or two, uh, less than 3 points, right? So uh, even in this 1,000 point movement, there was indecision, and that is this particular candle, that is the doji candle. Prior month we had a very good bullish morubozu, and this doji candle may act as a continuation candle as well as it may act as a reversal candle as well. So basically this month's candle suggests that there is no uh, conviction between buyers and sellers, and there is the market is indecisive right now. So this next month's candle, that is February's candle, will be the one which will decide whether the trend continues, the uptrend continues, or whether uh, this is kind of a trend reversal. So if the next month's candle is a bearish candle or something, then in that case this will form as a what do you call that, evening star pattern. And if it forms a bullish candle, then in that case it will signal continuation of the trend. So it will be interesting to see how February candle uh, opens and closes, uh, especially because of the interim budget, right? On Bank Nifty was Bank Nifty had shown doji candle yesterday, but today's candle is a big bullish Morubozu, and as we had mentioned, it also managed to test the top of this purple channel, right? And then it managed to close at that level as well. Also, the maroon channel which was there, the intersecting channel. So basically, this today's candle has closed exactly at the intersection of the two. So it will be interesting to see if the market or the candle closes tomorrow above this. And in that case, the next level to watch out for is 46,588, which is the previous swing high. Now, in case of the previous swing high gets broken, that is 46,588 gets broken tomorrow, then in that case we may see upside in Bank Nifty as well till the levels of roughly 47,188, right? So those are the levels. And also one more interesting thing is, if we join the since 17 Jan trading session, if we join the top of the candle, then today's candle actually breaks that particular trend line, as you can see here, and it has managed to close above it. So tomorrow's candle will actually tell us whether this is an actual breakout or a false breakout. So it will be interesting to see how Bank Nifty plays tomorrow. Again, as I said, it's an interim budget that is going to be there. So any policy disclosures or any policy decisions related to banking sector or NBFCs or any rate interest or anything uh, uh, related to any CR or banking related uh, uh, topic, then in that case, this Bank Nifty will definitely get affected. And if the news is positive or if the changes are positive, then we may see a bullish candle here tomorrow. On the other hand, if the changes or if the market expectation is not met, then in that case we may see uh, very big downfall hereafter, because as I've been saying, in between Nifty and Bank Nifty is the weaker, and currently also Bank Nifty is trading below the previous swing high. So uh, the price action clearly suggests that it is still uh, a higher uh, a lower high lower low formation, right? So unless this particular high gets taken off, we cannot say that there will be bullishness in Bank Nifty, and any reason or any trigger that will uh, uh, take the bulls out of the game will definitely bring the price lower, and the sellers will be ready to jump in, right? So that is how the Bank Nifty looks to be. Now, the key levels for tomorrow are 45,066, 45,066, which is the lower level, and 46,188, which is the upper level. If the market, I mean, in this is a very big range, right? Almost 1,000 points range. Now, in this range, tomorrow the market is going to be volatile. It will also depend on where the market opens, gap up or gap down. But in between these two uh, uh, these two levels, the 46,188 and 45,066 levels, the market is expected to be range bound. And once the market uh, breaks above 46,188, then I think there will be immediate resistance, which is 46,255. However, uh, we may see that broken uh, in tomorrow session, being the interim budget day and experiencing high volatility. We may see 46 to 55 also easily broken, but then there will be a resistance at 46,588, which is roughly around 46,600 levels, right? So that's where the market can go, the Bank Nifty can go tomorrow on the upside. And on the downside, if the market opens gap down, or if the market opens flat and due to some budget related news, if the sellers I mean, if there is a panic selling, in that case, we may see 45,000 levels retested. And if this 45,000 level breaks, then in that case, we may see a very huge downfall, even till 44,544 levels or below that, right? So it will be an interesting day tomorrow. Uh, Anyone who wants to trade with less quantity, and there will be high volatility. So uh, at one instance you may see some 10,000 13,000 profit, and at the very next instant you may even see 2,000 loss or 5,000 loss, right? So ideal situation would be to stay away from the market at least till the time the market takes direction. That is, till the time the finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman's speech ends. But even if you have to trade with a very less amount and less quantity, and also trade with the amount that you can afford to lose. I have always been saying this. Uh, Always trade with the amount that you can afford to lose, right? Uh, let's take a look at Dow Jones. Dow Jones was trading about 36, sorry, 38,100 yesterday, and yeah, today also it is trading above. No, this is monthly candle. Sorry. Yeah, so today also it is trading around 38,600 levels, so which is well above 38,100, and also this particular trend line, as we had spoken yesterday, this is acting as a support, right? So today's candle is also touching it. We are seeing a huge um, price rejection at the top levels, 38,700 levels. Not sure if this is something to do with the FOMC policies, that FOMC meeting that is going on. I think the meeting started yesterday, 30 and 31st. So we may see that effect also in tomorrow's trading session for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So there are a lot of things that will be happening tomorrow. One is Nifty expiry, another one is the interim budget, and third one I think the FOMC meeting, which is expected to get over today night. Uh, that ripple effect also may be seen in tomorrow's trading session, right? So all in all, it's going to be a volatile session. So trade with very less quantity, and uh, yeah, and I think that's it. So do like, do share, and do comment, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. And just before we wrap up, again a small disclaimer: there is no shortcut to make money, and making money in stock markets is not very easy. However, in the long run, with continuous improvements and patience, we can definitely make profits in stock market. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.